but I'd like to cover your example in a principle, sketch it out for you, so it hopefully makes better sense for you. What I would do with your scenario that you mentioned in the comment is that I would draw it out in a plan view first. So I would draw a line which would be a picture plane. And then you mentioned you have a cube. So a cube from top looks like a square, right? And you mentioned a 30, 60 rotation. So let me wink 30 degrees and 60 in here. Something like this. It's going to be fast, kind of quick and dirty principle. But let's say this is 30 and let's say this is 60. And we have our axis of vision in here, right? So whatever these dimensions are, you mentioned 1 feet, I believe. This is not really in scale, it's just a principle, but you can draw it in scale in here. And then you would have the distance from your point of view, which is the station point. You would have this distance. You mentioned 10 feet or something. So you would put it in here. And now what happens is that I would create a parallel lines to this one and to this one from the station point. Meaning I would go like this, more or less. So this is the same. And I would go like this. So this is the same direction. And these two are the vanishing points on the picture plane that I can see from a plan view when I construct the perspective. Now, if I want to take it into perspective view, I take these vanishing points down and I start with my horizon line. So this is horizon line. And you mentioned that you are standing in the height of 5 feet. So that's a distance that you would put in here. So this is horizon line and this is ground line. And this is also where you would see how big is the box. I don't know now what you mentioned, but let's say this is the elevation of the box. And now what I have is the vanishing point 1 and 2 on the horizon line. And what I can do is to connect my side with the edges of the box. So I know it's sitting on the picture plane, so it will be sitting on the ground one in here. This is the front edge. And now I can see if I take this down, so this will be the depth in this direction, and this one, that's what's projected on the picture plane, right? So I'll take this down on this direction, and now I use just the vanishing points to connect it. And this should be pretty precise for what we're trying to achieve in here. So hopefully this makes sense. This is how, in principle, how you would go about constructing a perspective view from a plan. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comments. This was a video feedback to a question of one of my students in the Sketch Like an Architect course. If you'd like to learn more about the course, you can check the link in the cards or in the description. Cheers.